Oh.
You're in the way.
Y'all gotta go sit down over there if you want to do an interview. Benjamin's not in the way. Okay, Benjamin, you gotta back up, son. Joe, please stop pushing. Okay, back all the way up, Benjamin. Okay, all right. Now here's the interview. Of all the animals that you know about, which one would you like to be?
I would like to be a mouse.
Really? What kind of animal would you like to be, Ben?
Tiger.
What?
Tiger.
A tiger?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mouse can hide under little places and tigers can't get in.
What can tigers do, Benjamin?
They eat animals alive.
They do eat animals alive. Now, Benjamin, you got to back up a little so we can see both of you.
Okay, Mom.
All right.
Now
Benjamin, hold on. I will ask the questions. Benjamin, what color is a tiger? Pink or blue?
No.
Okay.
No.
Joe, what color is a mouse?
Kind of gray.
Oh.
Mom, and a tiger is black and orange.
Oh. Benjamin, does a tiger have wings or a tail?
Tail.
Uh-huh. Joe, does a mouse have wings or a tail?
Tail.
Can you think of anything that has wings?
A dragon. A baby dragon.
A baby dragon.
And also a big guy dragon.
Okay. Would you like to be a dragon?
Yeah, because I can fly away from mouses that will eat me up and tigers.
Oh. I didn't know mice ate dragons.
Well, they nibble on their ears and make them go, ah!
Here, I need you to hold Captain for a minute, okay?
Okay.
All right. Captain? Hi. Hello, big Captain, sir. Oh, don't mess with his face.
Mama?
Oh, he's bothered. He's bothered.
Rock with Captain. Rock and roll with Captain. Rock and roll with Captain.
Okay, I'll rescue you, Captain. Come on back.
Mama,
He says, I prefer to be on this side of the camp.
start now.
Okay.
Let's hear.
Bye, Ben.
Let's do the video now.
Okay.
Let's do the video now. Bye.